When the night was loud and messy, and Maharani back we came, 6 friends walking through the doorway, all believing fame would change. Maish fixed his hair in silence, Alex smiled like he's the star. Bonnet said this night is ours now, we believe we went too far. Let it be, let it be, let it be tonight. When the plans don't work out, let it be tonight. Let it be, laugh and set it free. There will be an answer, let it be. Nobody tried to talk so softly, darling danced a little late. Then he sang a song off timing, neighbors slowly learned it bought away. Girls were laughing, music playing, dreams were flying through the air. We were trying way too hard now, but nobody really cared. Let it be, let it be, let it be tonight. When the charm just disappears, let it be tonight. Let it be, smile and let it go. There will be an answer, let it be. When I find myself overthinking, standing awkward by the wall, there's a voice inside me whispering, bro, just chill, don't try it all. Midnight came, the lights grew quieter, only friends were left to see. No great wins, no phone numbers, just our jokes and memories. Mahesh laughed, Alex laughed, Bonnet spilled a drink or 3. Maybe darling Danny's smiling, that was victory. Let it be, let it be, let it be tonight. We didn't win the hearts we chased, but the vibe was right. Let it be, friends is all we need. There will be an answer, let it be. Yes, there will be an answer. Not tonight maybe, but let it be.